I'm not sure, Representative Levin, how much more time that I have.
1:20.
All right, great. With my 1:20, I'd like to direct my last question to Ms. Auguste. My question is, how can we best be utilizing our relationships in Latin America and the Caribbean to help support democracy in Haiti? What can we be doing to be helpful there, and what international organizations are most useful? And thank you.
Avec États-Unis?
She's just getting the translation.
Ok, merci en pile Congresswoman Holohan. Nous pensons que États-Unis effectivement il y a un pile bagay que capable faire pour changer relation yo avec Haïti.
Thank you, Congresswoman Holohan. I think there's a lot of things that the U.S. can do to change their relationships with Haiti.
Mais premier bagay que nous pensons faut que c'est effectivement administration américaine nan mette li à l'écoute de société civile là qui gagne un pile que le ka partager avec lui.
First and foremost, I think the U.S. administration needs to listen to the Haitian civil society, who have a lot of recommendations and demand that they can share with them that can be significant to the change that we are seeking.
Et avec permission, moi ta aimé rebondir sur question participation femme dans l'élection.
With your permission, I would like to quickly address the issue of women's participations within the elections system.
Representative Levin, I don't know if I have the time for that, but perhaps we could go back to that.
No, you have a bit of time left.
Okay, great.
It's a little different when there's translation because they stop the clock for the translation.
Oh, okay.
So don't
Okay.
worry. Well, I'll stop you. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Ok, merci. Et donc, qui ça me tape dit rapidement, c'est que situation insécurité nous gen kounya la, pas permettre femmes participer dans l'élection, ni en tant que candidate, ni en tant que électrice.
One thing that I would like to add is that the current insecurity that we have will not allow women to participate in this election, neither as candidate or as voters.
Et même genre tout parti politique yo tout c'est eux même qui pour venir avec des propositions, des mécanismes pour permettre que femmes puissent participer dans question électorale.
At the same time, the Haitian political parties have to come and put forward the mechanisms to allow women to be able to participate fully in the electoral process.
Mais
With that, I think we have to